What's going on, guys? It's Hi, and in May of 2020 I made a video showcasing the ZL1 Addons rock guards for the Toyota Supra. Well, the other day I was doing some maintenance on the Supra and noticed that all the hardware provided by ZL1 Addons to install the rock guards showed signs of rust. This obviously isn't good, so I reached out and was told that there was a new set of hardware for the current product. To me, this means that the rusting issue probably isn't an isolated incident in my case and is likely a known thing. In any case, if you purchased this item around the same time as I did, I would highly suggest that you go out and check the hardware that came with the rock guards, as there may be some rust. If there is, contact ZL1 Addons to get a set of new hardware sent out. I got the replacement pretty quick and it was just a matter of changing things out. Now, if you watched my original video on the rock guards, you'd know that I did the install without removing any of the wheels. There was enough space up front for conventional tools, but the rear was a bit tight. I got the job done, but the process wasn't exactly streamlined as I didn't have a tool small enough to fit in the rear space. I ended up just using a Phillips bit and a pair of locking pliers. This worked, but it definitely added some time to the install. Well, since then, I picked up this microdriver toolset from Gear Wrench, and I'm telling you, this is the tool to get for this install if you don't want to remove the wheels. The microdriver allows you to essentially get into any space where you can fit a 1/4 inch bit. This is great for this install and has actually helped me on a few other projects. This toolset is a definite recommend for any DIYer. Here's a look at the old and new hardware. After about 11 months, there isn't a significant amount of rust, and it's really only forming around the two ends with the screw heads getting the worst of it. But I should mention that since installation, this car has only been driven in the rain a handful of times, so this may be a less extreme example of the rust situation. Still, this isn't anything that we'd want. If you are seeing any rust developing, definitely work to get the hardware changed out ASAP before it spreads to the body. For me, it was only a matter of contacting ZL1 Addons to get a free set of new hardware. The only downside is really that the new hardware is silver instead of black like the original set. The new hardware definitely sticks out a bit, and that's just kind of a bummer. But if the rusting issue goes away, then I'd be happy. And of course I can just paint over the heads with some touch-up paint and call it a day. That's going to be it for this one, guys. Just a quick update on the ZL1 Addons rock guards for the Toyota Supra. If you've enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate it if you can give the video a thumbs up and share it around. Comment down below with any thoughts or questions you may have. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more content. And if you want to further support my work, consider hitting the join button down below to become a member of this channel or become a patron on Patron. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.